Welcome back and thank you so much for staying with us. It's now time for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Supreme Ventures is adding utility payment services to its offerings. At the company's annual general meeting this week, SVL's chairman Gary Peart says the new revenue stream will be integrated through its financial technology arm Evolve.
This year, Supreme Ventures FinTech will roll out additional products under its new financial services brand, Evolve. We'll have bill payment services, loans, and microfinance type products. This is a significant next step in our growth and sustainable strategy.
Now, Mr. Peart says this side of the business may not need approval from the Bank of Jamaica to offer some of the proposed services.
Microfinance loan product. It's a digital product. It's supported or it's powered by an artificial intelligence. So we currently have it rolled out within our retailer network. And once we complete that pilot, we're looking to expand it outside of the retailer network. SV FinTech is the company that is going to have all of those online products that we referred to. In some instances, yes, you're going to need BOJ approval for some of the stuff, but there are other businesses which will be rolled out literally by next month that would not necessarily need that approval.
Remittances saw an uptick in the month of April. Net inflows for the period amounted to $271.6 million. That's 0.3% more than last year. The month's performance brings total remittances since the start of the year to $993.6 million. That's, however, 1.9% lower than the same period last year. The fall-off was due to a 9.7% increase in remittance outflows. In April, the U.S. remained the main remittance source market, amounting to 71% of inflows. Now to the currency market today, the US dollar is being sold for an average $154.58. $122.09 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $192.70 for the pound, while it's costing an average $166.65 for the euro. The JSE index lost 1,705 points today, while the junior market index gained 36 points. Among today's winners were Honeybun, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, Epley 7.25% shares and Cargo Handlers Limited, while on the losing side were Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Wigton Wind Farm, JMMB Group 7.5% shares, iCreate and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys, but stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.